Hello, everyone, and welcome to Jackson's Math Notebook. This is our third video in a series of videos related to the art of prime factorization, in which we break a composite number down into the product of its prime factors or prime numbers. Now let's take a look at our example right here, in which we have 5 times 7 equals 35. 5 is a factor, 7 is a factor, which multiplies to a product equaling 35. And 5 and 7 just so happen to be prime numbers. A prime number is a number that only has two factors, one and itself. And we're going to take our try at 72 by milking the twos and then milking the threes. But before we do that, let's take a look at the factors of 72. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 12, 18, 24, 36, 72. There are many factors, but here's why they are the factors of 72, because 1 times 72 gives us 72. 2 times 36 gives us 72. 3 times 24 gives us 72. 4 times 18 gives us 72. 6 times 12 equals 72, and 8 times 9 will give us 72. But we can break this number down into the product of its prime factors by milking the twos and then milking an occasional three. 72 is an even number, so it's easy to milk out the prime number 2. And we know that 2 times 36 will give us 72, and 36 is right here as a factor of 72. However, 36 is a composite number, meaning that we can arrive at 36 by multiplying multiple numbers to get to that answer. But in this case, we're just going to milk out the prime number 2, because we know that 2 times 18 will equal 36. 18 is also a composite number. We'll milk out a 2 right here, and we know that 2 times 9 will give us 18. But 9 is also a composite number, believe it or not. And its prime factors are 3 times 3. So here we have right here, when we circle our prime numbers, we have 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. And you can see it right here. 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 will give us 72, which is the same as saying 2 cubed times 3 squared will equal 72. And we're going to arrive at this same prime factorization when we milk out the threes. And we know that 72 right here is also a product of 3 times 24. 3 is a prime number, right? And so we know that 3 times 24 will give us 72. 24 is a composite number. It could be arrived at with quite a few factors, but this time we're just going to milk out a 2, because we know that 2 times 12 will give us 24. 12 is a composite number. Let's milk out a 3, because 3 times 4 will give us 12. And 4 is a composite number in which we can milk out two 2's. 2 times 2 will give us 4. And again, we have a 3 times 2 times 3 times 2 times 2, which is the same over here, but in different order, remembering that multiplication is commutative, meaning that the order does not matter just as long as you multiply them correctly. And so we have 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3, which will give us 72, which again is the same as saying 2 to the third power, or 2 cubed, times 3 to the second power, or 3 squared, which will give us 72. You have been given quite a bit of information, and you may pause the video to take a look at the anchor chart if you like, or you may replay this video as many times as you need to gain a deeper understanding of the art of prime factorization. But in the meantime, please comment, share, like, I repeat, like, and subscribe to Jackson's Math Notebook for more content. Thank you and goodbye.